channel once again, and today we're gonna hang out with the boy Hector later. He's going to stage 2, so we're gonna see him getting his downpipe and tuned and hopefully shoot some fat flames. But for now, I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping, see if I can do some Christmas shopping. I've been trying to do some Christmas shopping pretty early, so I'm gonna head over to Nike San Leandro because I went there and I got some steal deals and I found some cool stuff. So we're gonna go over there real quick and then we're gonna gym right after, and then we'll meet up with the boys and see what's up. For now, we got the Speed 3 just warming up. It did rain last night, so this car is just filthy. And I just got a car wash on the ST as well, so I don't even want to look at that thing. It's parked a little bit more down, but that thing's probably dirty. I'm gonna have to wipe it down, but this thing needs a wash for sure. That rumble. I miss this car. My dad drives it now, but I get to drive it on the weekends. You already know how to get one for the road because I am gassed. I should get sponsored one day. That'll be a dream. These are so good. Alright guys, I'm back. Just came out of Nike, found absolutely nothing. A whole bunch of just generic shoes, no cool clothing. Last time I came, I found so many things, but I just didn't want to buy everything. I bought some Rocher ones, like a champagne color, for 30 bucks, so that's a steal. And I was trying to find some like shoes for Christmas for like my girlfriend or my sister, but they don't have anything cool, honestly. So this Nike San Leandro was a bust. So I'm just gonna head over to the gym, get a good workout in, and then see if I can meet up with the boys. So I'll catch you guys after the gym. Just pulled up to Hector's shop with the boys. Damn, this boy's always fitted. Oh, psych. Let me hear it. Let me hear it one more time. Before, it was pretty quiet. Now he's catless. For the vlog. This guy's gonna put water in his exhaust so it can be straight piped. Is that Tomei, bro?
That Tomei?
Shit, I mean, sounds better than your other old exhaust.
More tone.
I gave him a resonator from Vibrant, and it was basically straight piped. She was so like, it sounded like a tractor, but now it sounds like more deep. So,
Pretty good.
Eesh. Stage 2. Oh, did you load the tune?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah, and you guys haven't seen Hector's car. I don't think I've ever showed your car in the vlogs.
Not recently, no.
Probably why? No, actually no, because when I started vlogging, you got in an accident, no? But this is his car now. It's got Justin's old side skirts, the one with the M2. Lord, carbon fiber hood, lights, it's lit. It's pretty settled now.
Yes, sir.
It's just the tune.
It needs to like settle in.
Yeah, boys. Us tune boys know that. Oh, you need to drive at least 50 miles. Okay. Hello, boys. sounds good.
That sounds really good.
It does.
Yeah.
It's BH.
Alright, bro.
Ooh, drive safe. Oh. Okay, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Jeez. Damn, okay. All right, I'm gonna pause the vlog here because I don't know what's gonna happen. They said they're gonna go to Santa Cruz, Pacific Cookie Company. Sounds pretty good. But the gym, so I don't know. Might just go home for a bit. So I'll pick you guys up later. Pulled up to Easy, gonna wash the cars. I'm gonna watch my dad speed through real quick. And hey, Edgar's gonna pull up because he wants to wash his car too. I did. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm waiting over there. So I'll keep you guys posted.
Hey, are you that famous chef?
Alright everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So I guess we're going to Santa Cruz last minute. And I'm waiting for Edgar to come, so he should pull up soon. And then we're off. See what the hell happens. I don't know what's going on. Probably just grab food, relax, celebrate that we got a new president. Alright, looks like Edgar just pulled up. My Uber just arrived. Is this my Uber? Is this for Jose? I'm kidding. Nice to see you, bro. Nice to meet you. That SUV up there, you probably can't see it. They're going crazy. What's up? Just pulled up the boys. Hey, you seen? I know you probably didn't pass you guys. That's some crazy A4. Some crazy Audi. Right, came to Pacific Cookie Company. Yeah. Oh, there's a hole in your bag.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, there's a hole in your sack.
Stupid.
Touching your sacks.
Hey, one sack bigger than the other.
Damn, right? Damn. Oh. Jesus, Edgar's just terrorizing Santa Cruz. Don't lie. Don't lie. Wait, what do? Up to here. We're gonna get some food. So yeah. Right, gang's all here. So we're gonna grab some food and call it a night after that. Do it! The vlog! Do it for the vlog!
Do it for the vlog.
Call it a night after that. So like today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.